Going to be, I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I forgot what I was going to say. Why do I do that? I know I've showed you how to do this. I've showed you. Years have we, for some, the Varathane wood stuff with. Everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Today I'm going to show you how we artificially weather the wood for one of the most popular signs we've ever made. And this is going to be using a product that I've shown you before and that I really didn't like that much before, but we've developed a new love for it. Here we go. So today we're going to be using the Varathane Weathered Wood Accelerator. This is something that I've used before. I did a product review on it before and we were kind of on the fence with it. Kind of liked it in some applications, but in some applications we didn't. Over time, as we've learned how to use it more effectively, we've developed a little more of a love for it, and I'll show you. I don't think it works in just like any old application where you want to make something look weathered. But in certain applications, like what we're going to do here today, it does work very well. So the most popular format for a sign that we've ever offered is this 4x24 size sign with a quote or a saying on it on a piece of weathered barn or reclaimed wood. So, but not every piece of reclaimed wood we get is weathered or weathered enough, you know, not for our taste. So we gotta artificially apply some years to this. For something like this, the Weathered Wood Accelerator is perfect for that, just perfect. So I'm gonna show you really quickly how we do it. Now we start putting our Weathered Wood Accelerator on here, and we'll put it on pretty liberally and just kind of let it sit and soak in. And now we'll let this sit for about an hour. Then I'll come back, I'll wipe off any excess that happens to be on here, and I'll show you the result. Okay, now after this sits for about an hour, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna rub the excess off as much as possible. And that is our finished product. And look, compared to the undone one, I mean, it makes a big difference. A big difference. All right, that process was very easy. I hope you learned something from this. If you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please tell your friends. And hey, if you would like for us to make some signs for you on some wood like this, we would love to. Please hook up with us at www.applevalleyfarmga.com or email us at info@applevalleyfarmga.com. Hook up with us on all your favorite social media sites. We will be here, there, and everywhere. Thanks again. I hope you have a good day. Take care. Be safe. Go make something.